Hi, I want to show you a wonderful exercise that allows us to connect with the energies of Yin and Yang. The representative of these two energies will be above us, will be Yang. The earth will be Yin. And when you work with those two energies, it brings more harmony to the body. So this is called reaching for heaven and earth. So take a moment, feel a nice upright posture, and bring your hands together. Take a nice breath in and let it go. Do that again. Just allow yourself to become more present. Good. And then begin to allow your left hand to go up towards the sky and your right hand to drop down towards the earth. And we're going to stretch in opposite directions. And you inhale here, and that helps to open up the ribs as well. On the exhale, bring your hands back into prayer position. And then start to do the other side. Right hand goes up, left hand goes down. Exhale. As we inhale, we're getting more breath into the body, but we're also connecting with these sources. And then exhale to allow it to center into your body. Inhale. And exhale. You can actually bring a little bit with the legs here. You can start to get nice and tall without locking the knees. And then as you come back down, you can bend the knees a little bit. And then reach up. Inhale and exhale. Another version of this is you can add a little side bend to really accentuate that breathing into the ribs. And then exhale. Do the same thing on the other side. Another good thing to remember when you do this is you don't want to lock the elbows because then you stop the chi flow. When you keep them somewhat bent, it allows the energy to flow through you easier. So let's do a few more of those. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more on each side. And again, finishing here. I'm going to invite you to come back here. And now I'm going to show you another version. Same exact exercise, but we're going to switch up the breath. And when you switch the breath, it just works with that yin and yang aspect. So let's take a breath in here. And now let's exhale like you're pushing away. This is a great way to clear out any tension. And then breathe in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So you breathe in to fill your heart. Exhale to release any tension that might be in your heart. The heart is that balance between earth and sky, the yin and yang aspects of your body. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Let's do one more to each side. Reach up. Come back. And other side. Exhale. And inhale. Let's pause back at our starting position. Take a few more deep breaths. Letting everything settle. Just get a sense of stronger roots beneath you and a stronger connection above you. I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.